Hey teachers, my name is Eric. And I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about Spring Festival, or as you might call it, Chinese New Year. So this year is the year of the pig, as we can see over here. And I want to tell you a little bit about how people travel here and what the holiday, how it kind of operates. One of the biggest differences between, say, Spring Festival and Christmas is that the dates for the Chinese New Year always change, and that's based on the lunar calendar. So every year, the date range for Spring Festival changes. I want to talk to you a little bit about how people travel. So today we're going to be looking at trains, planes, and no automobiles. Let's get started. Check out this train I made. It's made from like candy, caramels, and Reese's Pieces, and a little, cotton ball smoke coming out here. I'm pretty proud of this. This year, there's an estimated 225 million people traveling within China by train. Just to give you a little bit of context, that's like everyone in New York City packed their bags, left, and then came back 14 times. During Spring Festival this year, if you see any of your students maybe sitting in trains or in a fast-moving vehicle, you can ask them, hey, are you going home for Spring Festival? This year, an estimated 35 million people are traveling by plane. That means that the entire country of Canada packed their bags and left. An entire country left and moved somewhere else. That's how many people are traveling this year by plane. So you're probably not going to see any of your students on a plane because, data isn't that great. But you can always ask them, how did you get to your hometown? Are you traveling at all? And if you did, how was it?
Hey guys, Kevin here. And I want to talk to you about how holidays like Spring Festival can affect the work week. So here I have a stack of cups in front of me. The red cups are going to represent the weekend or days off, and the white cups are going to represent the regular work week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. In a regular week, you'd have your weekend, Saturday, Sunday, then your weekdays, then back to the weekend. Now let's pretend this is the week before Spring Festival. What's going to happen is we're going to be off Saturday and Sunday, then go into the final week of January, getting into early February. You're going to work these 5 days, and normally you'd have the weekend. But because the holiday's coming up, you're going to have to work that weekend. So you're going to work that Saturday and that Sunday. But after the 7-day work week, you'll get 7 days off. So that's 7 days to celebrate with your friends and family. And you come back to a 5-day work week, which for me sounds a little bit better. I'd rather work 7 days first than get 7 days off. So how does this impact you? The week before the holiday, we'll still be working. Eric and I will still be hard at work at VIPKid. But up until February 4th, after that Saturday and Sunday, that's when a lot of people are going to start traveling and going home to see their friends and family for Spring Festival. During that time, there will still be some people working, but not as many. Think of it as if they're working on New Year's Eve or Christmas or Thanksgiving. Not a lot of people, so please be patient if you have any questions or concerns for them. Also during this time, you may have a change in your schedule. Lots of families are going to be traveling, so they may or may not be booking as many classes. That's not to say that all classes are going to be canceled. Even just last year, there were students that would have class just so they could show their teacher to all their friends and family back home at their parents' hometown. So if you're lucky, that might happen to you too. You can meet grandpa and grandma. All right guys, we hope you found this video very interesting. We just wanted to give you a heads up about one of the most important holidays in China. In 2 weeks, we're going to release another video where we interview our Chinese colleagues and they tell us what Chinese New Year or Spring Festival means to them. Now, if you do get booked during this time, I want to teach you how to say Happy New Year to your students. There's 2 fun ways. The first way is 恭喜发财 or 新年快乐. Those are 2 ways that you can wish your students Happy New Year for Year of the Pig. All right, we'll see you around. Yeah.